To fix a malfunctioning Samsung top-load washer that won't unlock, start by pressing the start or pause button and then power cycle the washer by unplugging it for 1 minute before turning it back on. If this doesn't work, check that the water level isn't too high and ensure its frequency is within the normal range, not exceeding 23.8 kHz. Additionally, verify that the drum temperature is not higher than 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. If these readings are normal, remove the plastic drain hose holder and drain the water. If the issue persists, indicated by the LO message, check the door lock coil's output voltage. A reading of 120 volts suggests that the washer door lock switch needs replacing. Conversely, if the voltage is not 120 volts, it's likely that the unit's PCB is faulty and requires replacement by a technician. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and unlock your Samsung top-load washer.